Igbo culture, names are never given by chance. They carry history, prayer, identity, faith, hope, and a testimony of God's hand in our lives. We will be looking at special Igbo names, their meanings, and the scriptures that connect to them. Then, we will declare a blessing over all who bear this name. The first name is Oluebube. To bear this name is to walk as living evidence of God's supernatural works for every Oluebube. May your life continue to radiate God's wonders. Ama Uchechi, who knows the will of God. This name is a humble confession that God's ways are higher than man's understanding. For every Ama Uchechi, may your life rest in God's wisdom. Kam Harida, may I not stumble. This name is a prayer in itself, a call for God to hold us steady in a world full of trials. For every Kam Harida, may God uphold your steps, keeping you firm in faith and free from every foe. Nzube Chukwu. This name is a testimony that no matter our personal desires, God's plan stands above all. For every Nzube Chukwu, may your life align with God's divine blueprint. The name Mesomachi reminds us that God's goodness is never ending. For every Mesomachi, be surrounded by the goodness of the Lord. Ihuomachi signifies the shining face of God's favor. It is a declaration that His grace rests on you, opening doors that human effort cannot. For every Ihuomachi, may your life overflow with divine favor. Ebube Chukwu. This name carries majesty. It proclaims that God's glory rests on you. For every Ebube Chukwu, may your life radiate God's glory, and may His presence be seen in all you do. Onyinye Chukwu reminds us that life itself, talents, opportunities, and loved ones are gifts from God. For every Onyinye Chukwu, may your life remain a gift that brings joy and light wherever you go. Kamsirio Chukwu. This name is a testimony of answered prayer. For every Kamsirio Chukwu, may your life always be a testimony that God answers prayers. Chiziterim, God sent to me. To bear this name is to live as evidence that God sends exactly what we need. For every Chiziterim, may your life bring joy and hope as God's special gift to the world. Ugochinyere is a crown of honor. He declares that the bearer walks with divine glory, not human pride. For every Ugochinyere, may your life shine with God's glory and lift others into His light. Oluchi is a living testimony that our lives are crafted by God's hands. For every Oluchukwu, may God's hand continue to shape your life and bring His work in you to perfection. Chetachi is both a reminder and a warning never to forget the source of our blessings. For every Chetachi, may your life never lose sight of God. May your presence remind others to draw close to Him. Kosisochukwu is the declaration of surrender, trusting that God's will is best. For every Kosisochukwu, may your life reveal that God's will is perfect, and may you find joy in His timing. Chinecherem is a name of intimacy, that the Creator of the universe has you in His thoughts. For every Chinecherem, may you walk with confidence, knowing God's mind is full of love and plans for you. Chinazu is a name of covering. It reminds us that it's God's hands that keeps and sustains us daily. For every Chinazu, may your life be preserved from danger, and may you always rest in God's protection. Som Kele. To bear this name is to live a life of gratitude that draws others into praise. For every Som Kele, may people who encounter you be moved to glorify God. So Chima, only God knows. It reminds us that only God knows tomorrow, and His wisdom is greater than ours. For every Sochima, may your life always reflect trust in God's plan. May the meaning of this name continue to bless everyone who bears it and inspire those who hear it.